Alright, we're going to season the lamb chop. A little bit of salt, pepper, and Espelette chili pepper. Give them some nice touch. In the meantime, I have the cast iron ready. It is very hot. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil and we're going to sear the lamb chop. That recipe is a little bit unusual because we're going to cook the spaghetti inside the cast iron. We're not going to boil them. So 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Sear the lamb chop in the very hot, as you can see, smoking, hot olive oil. Sear them now on both sides, on the other side, sorry. So they need to have a nice brown color, but don't burn them too much and don't cook them too long. Two or 3 minutes, we're going to add the shallots, the onions and the garlic. Everything has been chopped finely or minced. And now we're going to sear the onion a little bit in the pot. Let's add a little bit of thyme and the tomato. Now we have the fresh parsley, also chopped, not too small. We're going to season with salt and pepper a little bit. So now the tomatoes are starting to melt a little bit, getting like almost like a paste, and that's perfect. We're going to add a little bit of white wine. We also have a little cube, like chicken broth or beef broth, just to give a little flavor. And we're going to reduce the wine to almost nothing. So you don't have too much acidity at the end in your pasta. So when you almost have no more liquid, the tomato has reduced, the white wine has reduced, we're going to add a little bit of water and we bring to a boil. So the water just needs to cover up. A little bit of salt. When everything is boiling, you're going to have to add your pasta, the spaghetti on top. You wait for the spaghetti to start to be slightly soft. Then add just a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil on top. And you add the lid. Let cook on low heat for about 15 minutes. And we check from time to time. After 15 minutes, our pasta are ready to go. They are still al dente, and the dish is just perfect. We're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. It's up to you. Red wine, mandatory, and a nice bread. Thank you. Bon appétit.